Good day. Today I'm going to talk about something fun and a little bit strange. Weird foods around the world. Let's start with Sweden. People there eat a fish called sustromi. It is a very smelly. It's it is very smelly because been left to uh it's been left to ferment for a long time. The smell is so strong people eat it outside. Next is in the Philippines. People in the Philippines eat balut. It is a duck egg, but not a normal one. Inside the egg, there is a baby duck that has already started to grow. People boil it and eat it with salt. It might sound scary, but some love it. Now let's go to China. In China, uh, there there people eat something called century egg. It's not really 100 years old, but it's kept in a mix of clay and ash for a few weeks. The egg turns black and green and smells very funny, but some say it tastes great. In Iceland, there is a food called akro. It's made of shark meat that has been buried underground for months. It smells like strong cleaning products. Yuck. It is a traditional food there. In Colombia, people eat fried spiders, big hairy ones. Oh, it's called tarantulas. They are cooked in oil and sold in markets. Some say it tastes like chicken. All these foods might sound weird to us, but to people who eat them, they are normal and tasty. Every country has its own special foods. What's weird to one person might be yummy to another. So next time you see strange foods, don't say gross. Maybe say, wow, that's interesting.